Okay. Or we could make that a gift. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about that. I like these. This is more my style, to be honest. I love this. Look at that. So pretty. So that was in there. Again, even though they're inside this big bag, which the piece comes in, like that necklace came in, then, oh, you know what, I bet you should probably put the necklace in the little other bag. So, like, I would probably fold that over to keep it from getting tangled. I don't think it will anyway, but just to be safe. And put it in here just to be safe so that it doesn't get scratched up. Make sure it sits in there nicely. And then you can keep these together, or you could keep them separate. It doesn't matter. And you can put this big bangle in just in the back and then add the other two little bags in with it. Again, I could turn around and give that as a gift. That is a really neat present. I love Plunder Posse. And again, you can just wrap it back like this if you want. And just like a little pillow. Sit it back in there. And there you have a beautiful presentation for a gift. So I could keep that or give it away. Oh, this is tough. I really like it. Like I'm being selfish. Okay, now this one, I think this one I purchased. I can't remember. Again, look at that pretty box. Open. Pillow. Yeah, this does not say Plunder Posse, so this is something I actually purchased. But again, just gonna let it fall out. That is very cool. I love this. This would be a great gift for one of my friends at work because it looks like it's a cow, Chick-fil-A cow design. It is. Oh my gosh. And it's so neutral. This is so cute. Y'all, this would be great with what I have on. Look at that. So it's got cream colored beads, a leather snake skin design, kind of a beigey butter color, look almost like buka seeds or buka beads or whatever they're called. A cowhide look. It's not real leather, but it's a cowhide look, the spots, and then white beads. So this is great for the summer. How does this work? It's magnetic closure. How easy. And if you wanted to, if you didn't like the cow design, the flip side is a cream colored leather. What a great, honestly, for what I have on, it's perfect. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Or very Chick-fil-A-ish. Even if you're not Chick-fil-A-ish, you know, the cowhide spots are really cool. And look how you just put it on. How easy. Look, you got a great collection of bracelets, and it was just you magnetic style put that on. Y'all, that is so great, especially if you get older. Oh, these are wooden beads. That is so cool. That is so cool and nice. I like that. And if you felt like the white was too strong for the outfit, then you just flip it to the other side. Alright, I gotta learn how to get this off. I don't know. Do you just, oh, you just lift it and it comes off. I mean, it's a pretty good, strong magnet so that it'll stay on, so that's good. That's very good. Oh, and you can flip it over and it's still going to be magnetized. That is really cool, y'all. Okay, and then you just, okay. Like I said, if I felt like the white being down was too much and you want to kind of get the focus to the creamier colors, then you put that side down. Where you notice it. Whatever's down closest to your hand is what you're going to notice the most. That is very, very cool. That would also be a great gift for one of my girlfriends at Chick-fil-A. Very cool. I think about the birthdays coming up. So easy too, because you don't have to go trying to do a bunch of catches for a bunch of bracelets to kind of make a collective look, you know, because sometimes, and they're kind of pre-selected that they go together. So that's a very cool look. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Again, do I want to keep that or give it away? I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. So I'm going to nicely wrap that. Put it back in its pretty little box like it was, a little pillow. And tuck it in and make it go to sleep. Go to bed, bye, little present. I said present, so I guess I'm going to do it. Alright, this is a necklace that I purchased. Look at the pretty box, that beautiful kind of peachy melon color. The pillow presentation. It's the little pillow. Open the ends and just let it slide out in case you want to turn it around. I have a bunch of these and I just have them in a little collection box, and if I need a gift I can go shopping at home. Oh my gosh, this is not going anywhere but me. That sounded very selfish. I love this. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful blue. That would be so pretty with what I have on. I think I'm fixing to put this on right now. And you can also keep, first of all, this heart has a lobster claw clasp, so you can take that off if you want to. I think that is great with the blue though. Look how pretty that is with the blue. Or if you don't want red as an accent for whatever outfit you've got, that'd be really pretty on white or sand. Because see these sandstone colors? Be very pretty with that. But let's say you didn't want the red accent, you can flip it to the other side and it's gold. Isn't that pretty? Oh y'all, I'm so in love with this piece. And I'm done. It looks great with this kind of taupey brown that I've got on. See? So I'm just going to have the gold side. This is a really long tunic, and at the end of it, it's got kind of like creamy lace on the bottom. So cute with jeans. So cute. Done. Sold. That one's mine. Nada. Mine. Okay, and then this one, the Kirsten necklace. Maybe this is the one I want to wear. Look at the pretty box. It's kind of a darker orangey red. Or melon. Open a little pillow. And slide out of there. Whoop. Woo. That's pretty. What's it look like? Oh my gosh, I love that. You know, I haven't worn my silver jewelry in a long time. I've been doing gold for a while. I go back and forth. Oh, I love this. Love this, love this. It's turquoise beads on a bar there. Every other is a silver bead. Here, there is little blue. There's one blue and then there's two, so it's kind of asymmetrical, which I love. And then little mirror silver discs. Look at that. That will be so pretty for silver. Look how sparkly shiny that is. Again, that'd be beautiful on a white V-neck to really highlight the sparkle, or you can do a round neck or a crew neck and let it lay right on the white and really would make that pop. And I already had, you know, these be pretty with just plain silver discs or silver hoops, little like huggy hoops. Keep it all real simple. Isn't that pretty? Can y'all see the little beads? Oh, my jewelry made. These were the two pieces I bought, the silver and the silver. Sometimes I like to go when my friend is having a show and just go purchase pieces from her, besides being on the posse, which gave her a year's worth of someone, you know, being subscribed. I still want to do some of her parties. And so one of the things I've learned, by the way, when you get these, they always have the extender and the clasp. They close it right at the top so that hangs out, and that helps it not get tangled up. Did y'all know that? When you use these kind of jewelry bags, kind of put the clasp and the extender hanging out, and that kind of keeps it from getting tangled inside. So these two, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it, girlfriends. I'm keeping it. I love it. And see, I just have on these little plain, I don't know if y'all can see those little gold palm branch leaves. I forgot what these are called. It almost looks like a elephant ear, but that's not what they're called. It's very tropical. Like a palm, but anyway, and they're on a little huggy, very simple, looks fine with this necklace and with this charm. But if I wanted to, I can take the heart charm completely off because it's a lobster claw clasp. I want to take it off. I just don't want to leave it on, so yeah. So is that everything that I was going to share with y'all? Again, if y'all are interested in Plunder design, I will link below where you can sign up. Y'all, these are so, so cute. So, so cute. I love it all. I don't know which things I'm going to keep and which things I'm going to... I could put these on together. What do y'all think? Do you think that looks okay together? That's would be pretty on this shirt. See the dark... This is kind of like a chocolate brown with a purple undertone. Is that like a taupe? Taupe has more of a gray undertone. This doesn't. This is more of a purple undertone brown. But I love this. Look how that looks on the darker color. It doesn't have to be black though. This could be on white, especially if it was a crew neck. As long as there's nothing to distract from the line there. That would be very cool. So anyway. I'm loving my purchases there. If y'all are interested, get involved. Love on it. My friend Jenny I will link it with her, and that way if you want to do it with her, you can do a private, I've done private, see how I did that outside? It kind of holds it up. I've done private ones where it didn't go to any party, and I think it's because her party was closed or something. So it doesn't matter. You can get it anytime. You don't have to do it that way. My face looks so shiny. It almost looks like I'm oily. When you're an old lady, you like oily looks because it looks like you have moisture in your skin. I actually do have a really good moisturizer on though. And I've shown you all this before, but this is from Flower Beauty. This is a Seal the Deal Luminizing setting spray, and it does definitely have a radiant finish to it, so I do advise this. I like this a lot, and I do have this sprayed on obviously pretty heavily. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and I'll see you again in my next video.